Today is gonna be the first sneaker review of 2025 on the channel, and I kind of went back and forth because I was like, I didn't know which sneaker I actually wanted it to be. But since you guys like hype, I like hype. Today we're gonna be unboxing a Travis Scott, the last Travis Scott of 2024, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions about these things. And hey, they keep going up. Let's unbox these sneakers.
I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them,
if this is your first time tapping into the channel, welcome. I'm your boy Truth. This is KICKnology, and what you're gonna be getting from this channel is going to be unboxing, sneaker reviews, and motivational, encouraging, spiritual messages for you guys. 2024 was an amazing year. 2025 is gonna be even better. I feel like God is gonna be blessing us a lot on this channel, and as those blessings come in, I'll make sure to pour them out to you guys. So make sure you guys are tapped in, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It goes a long way. The like button, commenting helps with the algorithm, so I would greatly appreciate that from you guys. All right, so as you guys can tell, I'm in a different area. I normally turn the camera around, do an overview overhead of me, opening up the box with you guys. But today I'm gonna be doing it a little bit different. So we're just gonna go ahead and go through the box just like this. Just because it's a little bit easier for me. I don't have all my equipment that I normally have. So starting with the box, you do have that standard Nike box right there, as you guys can see. You have that cream sail colorway box with the Nike in that Barraco or dark brown. This is the size tag on them. You do what you always do. You can stop the video, legit check. This is a size 11.5. These are actually my nephew pairs, not my pair. Y'all know I normally go a size 11 in the Travis Scotts, just because any kind of Jordan 1 low, OG, retro, I tend to go a half a size down. But that is all for the exterior of the box. We're gonna go ahead and flip back this lid. As you guys can see right here, it does have the pink Cactus Jack paper that it normally has. It has a layer of the white paper, and then we have the sneakers that's gonna be right there on the inside of the box. All right, so with the sneakers out, we do have two sets of laces with these things that we'll talk about, and it's gonna be the dark brown and then the pink. I've seen a lot of people, like my boy Raffy Collects, I've seen him with sail laces in them, and they were super dope. Maybe I'll put the picture up on the screen for you guys. But outside of that, in the inside of the box, let me see if it's a quality control sticker. Yeah, you do have the quality control sticker in there. In the interior lining of the box is gonna be that brown. All right, so as we look at the sneakers, as you guys can see right here, this is going to be your left one. This is gonna be your right one. It's your standard Air Jordan 1 low when it comes to the Travis Scott. You have the reverse big swoosh right there. And the shoe is gonna be in that all brown type of suede, rusty, dusty suede material. And in my opinion, as I look at this sneaker really for the first time, I'm gonna say, this is not that bad. Like, a lot of people are like, oh, this is the sneaker I hit on. I see a lot of, got them, I can't believe I hit on this sneaker. This is not the one. I will hit on the worst one. And actually, this is probably one of the most wearable, if not the wearable, Travis Scott that we've seen. And especially in this fall winter vibes, you can't go wrong with this. So starting with the Nike swoosh on this exterior of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, we have that dark brown leather Nike swoosh. It's almost like a black, it's so dark. And then you have the piping in the light brown stitching right there. As we continue on, we have that rough leather right here across the toe box. And this is in a darker brown than it is in a little bit of a lighter brown on the toe box. Another pair of laces right here, and the laces are all wax. And this one is like, it's like a lighter brown as we go all the way up. They even with the Nike Air right there, it is in a dark brown, as you guys can see. Going across the back end of the sneaker, on the left one, we do have the Jordan logo in the back, and that's gonna be in that brown. And then on the right one, we have the Travis Scott logo, and that's gonna be in that brown also. I felt like they should have really put those in tan to kind of break up this sneaker, in my opinion, but nonetheless, this is what they decided to do. So on the inside of the sneaker, we do have that Travis Scott written right there. On the inside of the sneaker, again, everything is all brown, medium brown, and dark brown. On the inside of the sneaker of this one, you have the Travis Scott right there. And then on the inside of this one, you do have the Jumpman logo right there. And he's already wore these things, as you guys can see on the outsole. He got them for Christmas. He's already rocked them. And that's what I like about my nephew, man. He rocks his shoes. You got the Travis Scott right there. And just overall, a clean sneaker, brown sock liner on them as well. In my opinion, it's going to be one of those things that I feel like that this is going to be a sneaker that resale wise, it will continue to go up, because I feel like a lot of people get the sneaker in hand and realize how wearable it actually is. So I think a lot of people will actually go after this sneaker. And again, just switching up the laces, you got a lot of variety when it comes to these things. And I've seen a lot of people actually paint the swooshes. I'll probably put a picture up on the screen. I've seen one where they paint the swoosh pink. they painted the swoosh cream or sail, and that really broke up this sneaker and made it look completely different. So again, you have your different color laces on them, and y'all let me know the pink laces on them. You know, they always come with the pink. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the pink ones. Or if you want to make it even more UPS looking, you put that doo-doo brown in there, man. But that is it for this sneaker. Comment down below. As I said, the resellers continue going up on these things. Let me know if this is a must cop for you guys. And I appreciate you. First review of 2025. Did I pick the right one? Let me know. I appreciate you. Y'all in the sense, man. Rock what you like, number type. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, man, are just baked. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace.